If you've recently encountered security checks on your Lyft account and need to restore full access, follow these steps to resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Verify your email. Check your email for any messages from Lyft regarding your account status. Look for instructions or links that may guide you through the verification process. Step 2. Update your account information. Log into your Lyft account and ensure that all your personal information is up to date. This includes your phone number, email address, and payment details. Accurate information can help expedite the verification process. Step 3. Complete security checks. Before starting recovery, use the s.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Contact Lyft support. If you are still facing issues after completing the security checks, reach out to Lyft's customer support. Use the app help feature or visit their website to submit a request for assistance. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your information and contacting support, wait for a confirmation email from Lyft regarding the restoration of your account access. This may take some time, so be patient while they review your case. By following these steps, you should be able to restore full access to your Lyft account. If you encounter further issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for additional help.